La so linge tarang ki lopsen se ga phebang ye linge samo kasu shigyu tarang anzo essential english grammar ki lopsen shipju shipdum patita yi dinang lo lang anzo thujo kharchu korgure la te ki laptang ro de cha injina imbaina how long does it take thujo kharchu korgure ani khawani khari khandi count to you tilar the ro penetration de la london ne madrid la thujo kharchu korgure la de ta todang khaga khashe sure regulam odi imbaina penetration na how long does it take by plane namdune by train me komatsu by plane namdune by train me korne by car motor ne from london to madrid khaju gorgres antida ra ta thuju digam gorgil relayam baina it takes 2 hours lenila na antigure changma layam baina it takes 2 hours by train from such a to such a b kharile origine ladang odirterwa. How long does it take by plane from London to Madrid? La suara London ni Madrid bato khaju gorguris. It takes 2 hours. Thangi la yo rochuzuni gorgure la nelap shana digiyore yana gyulam de dimdu kharna chendi la imba ine yang by lab ani plane train car kharilawa ine yang digiyorda. Tejasina. How long does it take by train from London to Manchester? London ne Manchester to lana lar London ne from London to Manchester. Manchester la train ne chuzo gorgres. It takes 2 hours by train from London to Manchester. Nam mekor nangne it takes 2 hours chuzuni gorgres. How long does it take by car from your house to the station? Kirangi nangne megor papchuk patula how long does it take dela khacho gorgure la de chikpuchila ro it takes 10 minutes by car ro ane modern do origin kamachu gorgures nipat na chek bid na chesina kho kharchi to page thangbo nimasum ani the entland re dwara tadi imbaina I started reading the book on Monday. I finished it on Wednesday evening nga thep di sa dawala logai go chuis ani joy de khadu jore Wednesday ki salak ba chito la jo tang chain le joro ta khola thujo khajo gori me lain baina it took me 3 days to read it nga la thujo khajo gorsu nga di thep di cha chang wa logai la took me la du past tense na ti ra chuju mas ko mas ni masum gorsungs the theory du how long do does will kariligyo paine how long does it take you to karichigyo paine ya how long did it take you yana how long did it take and migi ming them nana khunzo you la nachra ra dinde peju che ra how long lap helping verb disha and it takes len lad that di che la khaju gorsung la dim baina ani len japte sambola it takes lana chidang ne thuju digam gorgure it took lana digam gorsung it will take lana thuju digam future la lagorwa gorgure la de it takes me a week to finish this project and it took me a long time to finish reading the book it will take me 3 hours to finish reading the book tindela roslana yanti gorwa de chiksing na how long does it take to fly from London to Madrid? London ne Madrid patula namdu na chuchu kazu gorgures fly la denga namdu de nyamda char korwa. It takes a long time to learn a language. Kerik jik janga la takes a long time to zobe mangbu gorgures. It doesn't take long to cook an omelette. Omelette suela shu thuzu doesn't take gorgumaris. It takes me 20 minutes to get to work. Nga lega lajorela kama nishu gorgidus. The next dinanjik siga. I came by train nga mekornin lanes. Did you? Lane best. How long did it take to get here? Dele padula how long did it take to the kazu gorsungs? It took Tom an hour to do his shopping. Tom la khare chuzajik gorsungs shopping chiala. Did it the past tense na re dwara? The simple present, the simple past. Did it take you a long time to find a job? Kira lega tell os gyurung bo gorso west helping verb nyel tina tiwarwa. The next ni de jiksina. How long will it take me to learn to drive? Nga motor tangai jangai la tujo kajo gorgures. Simple future. It will take us an hour to cook the dinner. Nganzo kala konda kala suela chuzo chik gorgures. Simple future. Right? Tanganzo exercises share in that tangbo. Look at the picture and write questions with how long na nganzo gozo ne tiwa tiwa ra. Tangbo di imba ina London ne Amsterdam redwa. Jazang, how long does it take by plane from London to Amsterdam? London ne Amsterdam de namdu nandu de dwara khazo gorgris. Ta Milan ne Rome di khardo car re dwara ta car nang do na khazo gorgre le de gochuk di how long la gorwa? How long does it take by car from Rome to Madrid? Yana Madrid to Rome. Any question mark? Somebody train nando de doa kwane Paris ne Switzerland re doa. How long does it take by train from Paris to Switzerland? Duslashana. Tadi bus re doara. Ani chirangi nang city ne chene ani airport padula tuju city center ne khajo korgure airport la bus nang ne la de hangi so chenda. Next, how long does it take to do these things? Write full sentences. Ta dela jopadun zulta ne nganju mala len jap korta. Fly from your city to London. Ani su nganju tanga gyagan ne London la khajo korgure la de. It takes 2 hours to fly from Madrid to London la dwara. Next, fly from your city to New York. New York la dine namtu phirwari na jaga ne chutu chutu gorgor laim baina. It takes 16 hours to fly from India, yang na New Delhi, from New Delhi to New York. New York dilerwa. Ani study to be a doctor in your country. The doctor chela tuzo kazu korgure lejurwa chela. It takes 4 years of study yang na to study chikwa darwa to become a doctor yang na be a doctor. Edi chik sup shaganda. Next, shipade. Walk from your home to the nearest shop. Nang ne chusugi chonga nyesho de bado komba jandona. For me, it takes only 2 minutes, so I'm gonna say it takes 2 minutes from my home to the nearest shop. Ane dinero last language so chenda. Next, write questions with how long did it take? The simple past nangla. She found a place to live. More desa rasung ladula. How long did it take her to find a place to live? Tuzo kajo gore lade. Nipadela. I walked to the station. Nga station la komba yen drawing la jio ro ta dinga zo khandi laga. How long did it take you to walk to the station? Walk to the station. Next, he cleaned the window. Kogi gingon zakma so suta gingon zakma so la khajo gore la dire roanga de tiginda. How long did it take him to clean the window? Ane I learned to ski. Ngi kyakshur kang la di shuri dang dress da odla ski le ro ta ski tang tang jain la swara ta ngi tiwa khazu korsung le ro. How long did it take you to learn to ski? Right? Ane dinashi tamadelengi so chain tang on last le ro. Read the situation and write answers with it took. The situation do. I read a book last week. I started reading it on Monday. I finished 3 days later. It took me 3 days to read the book. We walked home last night. We left at 10 o'clock and we arrived home at 10:20. Come on, you should go to ani nganzo khalage. It took us 20 minutes to reach home. By 20 minutes to reach home. Next, I learned to drive last year. I had my first driving lessons in January. I passed my driving test 6 months later. Tako driving license ra like khajo gordo. It took me 6 months to driving lesson lana license martongi the license re samdish lesson re dwara tako khajo jang lan da thuk jang it took me 6 months to learn to drive. Next, Mark drove to London yesterday. He left home at 6 o'clock and got to London at 10 redwe. Oh yeah, 10 redwara. So it took Mark 4 hours to reach get to London. Then ngawa thokbal hingi so inang le chine dos shagin lopsen kadin che.